What kind of surprise?
Hello guys, so today we are going to do the unboxing of a wonderful phone. Redmi Note 11 SE.
Are you sure?
Yes, no. Would you like to do the honors?
No. You do the honors. I will take the first selfie.
Okay.
Welcome to Lip Studios. I am Kaashvi. I am Mishty. Let's see what's inside the box. This is the phone. We'll see it later. This is the user guide. Why don't you read it? You do the honors. Why don't I throw it away? This is the phone cover. The plastic phone cover. What else? A cable. Wow. This is my new phone.
Redmi Note 11 SE.
Look at that color. Oh, look at the texture. I am speechless. What about your thoughts?
I am thoughtless.
I'm gonna be sleepless. Shall I say flawless? Let's see if it is.
We need to set up this phone first.
Let me press the power button. Wow, the display looks so good.
Yes, so smooth.
Yes, let's see what else is there.
Yes.
At the bottom, we get the C port for charging. 3.5mm jack, stereo speakers. But you didn't get the charger. That was a surprise I was talking about.
Really?
No charger is a surprise? Yes. What kind of surprise? Like, you were surprised. So, it's a surprise. Whatever. Tell me, what else? At the right side, we get the volume buttons and the power button. Does it support fingerprint sensor? Yes. At the left side, we get the centering. What's at the top? Speakers. I think they are stereo speakers.
Cool.
At the back, we get quad cameras.
What is quad cameras?
Means we get 4 cameras. The wide one, 64 megapixel, ultra wide 8 megapixel, macro 2 megapixel, and the depth sensor 2 megapixel.
Now we'll see some videos taken from this phone. You'll see some images taken from this phone.
So with this, we have come to the end of this edition. And if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.